Hello, welcome to How to Literally. Today I'm going to review Trading 212. Is it the next Robinhood? So, Trading 212 is a UK-based commission-free trading platform offering access to over 12,000 global stocks, ETFs, and CFDs, and for both beginner and intermediate investors. Pros: the platform provides fractional shares starting at £1, a user-friendly interface, interest or invested cash, and extended trading hours for US stocks. Cons: it offers limited research tools, lacks telephone support, and has higher financing rates for CFDs and Forex compared to some competitors. So in conclusion, while Trading 212 shares similarities with Robinhood in offering commission-free trading and a beginner-friendly interface, it distinguishes itself with a broader asset selection and features tailored for the European market. To open Trading 212 account, go to trading212.com and click Open Account. If you already have an account, you can click on Login.